write the slope-intercept form of the line that passes through 1/3, 4/5 with a slope of m equals 1/4. So I want, basically, I'm given a point here, so 1/4 and 1/3 and 4/5, and my slope here, I'm going to write m here equals 1/4. Oops, 1/4. So in order for us to solve this guy here, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to first have to use my slope of the equation in slope-intercept form, right? And the reason why I use slope-intercept form is because I'm already given my slope. So I know that y here equals mx plus b. I know my m here is equal to 1/4, right? 1/4 x plus b here. And all I'm going to have to do is isolate for my y-intercept here. Because again, I'm given my point here, and I know it's going to pass through these two lines. So this solution here. So this x and y coordinate solution here is indeed a solution into my equation. So I can plug in the y value. And as you can see here, this here is my x, is my y. So my y value would be 4/5. So I'll plug in the 4/5 here, equals 1/4. X here is 1/3 plus b here. And all we're doing is we're doing some simple addition for us to figure out our b value here. 4/5 equals 1/4 times 1/3 will give me 1/12 plus b, and b here would simply be 4/5 minus 1/12 here, which would equal 4/5 minus 1/12, which would give me a value of 43/60. And I believe the solution here is correct. Again, this here solution is correct, so 43/60 is correct here. And finally, I can write down the equation of my line, right? So saying here y would equal, so therefore y would equal, again, my slope was 1/4 x plus 43/60. And this here is my solution for the equation of the line. So this is my solution for the equation of the line here. Again, they got the same solution as well, so the solution here is correct.